Hello everyone, we are here today to make a short review test of ZDS Plug&GO. Plug&GO is an innovative electronic automatic pump with an integrated press and switch. This pump is equipped with all protection such as dry running, thermal protection, overload, low voltage, high voltage, 2 frequent start and stop, and it has a soft start technology. As you can see, the electronic is integrated in the head of a pump, when we have the hydraulic part and then a single phase water-cooled motor. This is a very easy to install pump. That's why it's called Plug&GO. Okay, now we test our PG Plug&GO 5000. This is a model that reaches a maximum total head of 8 bars with a maximum flow of 100 liters per minute. Plug&GO must be installed with a pressure tank of a minimum 2 liters or bigger. This is in order to limit the number of starts per day and to guarantee the correct functioning of the pump. Here we have our plants. This is the correct plant where we have the Plug&GO, then we have a pressure tank, a 2 liter pressure tank, and then we have a reducing valve, and then a wrong second pressure tank. Let's try to see how it works. Opening the flow. The pump starts. When we close the flow, the pump stops. Even if there is a little leak of water, as you can see, the pump is stopped. Okay, let's try now the incorrect installation. So where we close this pressure tank and we open after the reducing valve. The pump starts. Okay, as you can see, the pump would start and stop continuously, doing more than 500 starts per day. The pump at 500 starts per day, it goes on sleep mode. So this is not the recommended installation. Let's go back to the correct one. So we close this and we open this. Perfect. So the correct installation is when you have the Plug&GO, then you have a pressure tank, and then you can have anything else. Thank you for watching, and for more information look at www.zdsgroup.com. Goodbye.